Welcome, Jah Lex.
Yes, I'm
welcome.
fine.
You look African.
Give thanks, give thanks.
And you're very handsome.
Thank you so much. You're very handsome too.
Thank you very much. Now, I want you to say hi to the people. This is called Kameme TV.
Yes.
Kameme TV. Say Kameme TV.
Kameme TV.
Wagwan, Rasta.
Wagwan, Kameme TV. You don't know Jah Lex in the building? Up.
Wagwan. People want to know who Jah Lex is. Just greet them on the camera #1. Tell them who you are, what you do, and why you're here.
Yeah, you don't know Jah Lex. Me is a reggae artist, recording artist, touring artist. I was born in Montreal, Canada, you know, from a French background. And in 2004, I first visited Jamaica. And then the year after, I moved there to, you know, pursue my music career.
Wow.
Yeah, so I've been doing music all my life.
From Canada to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Why reggae music?
Well, you know, reggae music carries a message, a positive message. And I think this is what the world needs right now and the youth need right now, something positive to gravitate, you know? Yeah, because, you know, there's a lot of things right now in the world for the youth. It's easy for them to be attracted with different things that go distract them from the right path, you know? So, yeah, that's why I chose reggae music.
Right. Who inspired you? Who inspired you, the reggae music? Which artist inspired you and which song inspired you to do reggae music?
Well, the artists, you don't know, Burning Spear, Bob Marley, you know, the great legends, them, Beres Hammond also, you know, Dennis Brown. And, you know, later on now, when Sizzla, Capleton, Luton Fire came in, you know. So, yeah, those are the main that inspire me.
Right. You never told me, this is the Jah Lex is the stage name.
Yeah.
What are your real names?
Well, you know, my real name is Alex.
Alex?
Yeah, my full name is Alexandre. Yeah. So when I start recording Jamaica in 2006, and the producer at that time, no, everybody called me Alex.
All
so
right.
When he was ready to release my first single, he said, "We're gonna call you Jah Lex."
Jah Lex.
Yeah.
No, because they called you Jah Lex. Now you're in Kenya. I will give you a name. You will be called Jah Lex Jogona.
Jah Lex
Jogona.
That's my new name.
Oh my God! Now let me ask you, which kind of reggae music do you do? Because we have different genre of reggae music.
Yeah.
Which one do you do?
Well, you don't know, I mainly do roots and culture, but I love music, so I also have dancehall song, you know, dancehall rhythm, and I have other songs too, like different genres of music, you know. Yeah, because I love R&B, I love hip hop, you know. Yeah, I love music, but always with a positive message.
Wow.
Yeah.
Jah Lex, we know your song because it came here before you. That's why our DJ have your song here. But we would like to listen to your first reggae music, first song, which you can sing a little bit of it.
My first song, yeah, the first song I released was Jamaica. We played like a French version earlier on the show. Yeah, but the English version goes so. Jamaica, nice and silent and the sea, so much thing you go through, praise the Almighty. From the mountain to the river, to the valley, to the sea. Pretty woman make me a feel left me on a country, but to all the gunmen, this a message we are saying.
Oh, good. Jah Lex from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Let me ask you, how did your parents, you learned what in school? Did you know that you want to be a musician?
Well, I always been attracted by music. So I learned music as a youth growing up. You know, I learned percussion, guitar. Then in high school, I learned trumpet. And, you know, so I've been studying music a little bit.
Right.
But when I told my parents I want to be like a musician and
reggae
an artist,
music.
They say, but what are you going to do? They think I will never...
You're crazy.
Yeah, they think that's crazy. But, you know, first they take it rough, but then when they saw all the works I was doing, yeah.
Where did the reggae music come from? Where did it originate from?
Reggae music in my life?
No, like reggae music, the reggae music in Jamaica.
Yeah, it come from Jamaica, you know? Yeah, from, you know, the early, like, you have Ken Booth and Bob Marley and Jimmy Cliff. Yeah, those are the ones really like pushing the work, the foundation for the reggae music.
All right. Jah Lex, you do music only. That is your career. Is it what you eat, what you dress, what you do? It's music.
Yeah, music alone.
You wake up in the morning, you do music.
Yeah, that's what I do every day. You know, I do producing, you know, because I write songs, I write the music, I play the instruments, so I work in studio, and you know, then I sing also. So I do a lot of different things in the music thing.
There's something called humility and starting from the scratch. Our youths are not patient enough. Maybe you can advise them on how to wait until your time comes and still pushing on.
Yeah, well, because it takes a time. You know, me, I've been doing music all my life. You know, even when I was like 18 years old, I was a professional musician, but it wasn't easy at first, you know. I went through a lot of tribulation and obstacle in the way.
Right.
So, you know, but I always, you know, perseverance and don't give up. And,
true.
You know, so I start from scratch, and you see, I've been doing reggae music since 2004.
True.
And now it's just lately I start to see like the fruits.
Right. That is patience.
Yeah.
Let me ask you, what is your take, before you tell us why you're in Kenya, I can ask you, what is your take on marijuana? Is it legalized in Jamaica?
Yes, it's been legalized lately since a few years. It's a good thing because, you know, marijuana, ganja now is a medicine.
What?
Yeah.
It's a medicine?
It's a medicine. It cures a lot of things, you know.
Right.
So, but it's like everything. If you take too much of something,
it's poisonous.
It can be wrong too, you know. So yeah, it's a good thing that it's legal now, so we can more educate the people about it.
Let me ask you, what is your advice on our Kenyan government, because they have been banning marijuana, but our boys are still hiding and taking marijuana? What is your advice on to our government?
Well, they have to legalize marijuana, you know, yeah.
Why?
For the better good of the nation, for the better good of the people, yeah. Because there are a lot of things that is legal, that known to be poisonous and dangerous for the people. And ganja is not something that is dangerous for the people.
Ganja is not dangerous for the people?
No, it's a medicine.
How do you consume it? How do you consume it? Because you told us it's a medicine, and if you're not sick, you're not supposed to consume it. So when are you supposed to consume marijuana?
Well, you can use the marijuana for different purposes, you know. It can be like to manage stress. It can be for if you're missing sleep. It can be for like you're not eating enough food. It can be, you know.
It is an appetizer.
Yeah, it can be a lot of things, because even like some kids that was having a lot of problems in country where they legalize marijuana now, they replace like 25 pills that one kid was taking every day with one pills made with ganja, and that it make him function properly now, you know. So you don't have to take so much chemical things again, because sometimes you take one chemical medicine, it help you for one thing, but then it will hurt your liver, or it will do something wrong.
I know you know a lot about marijuana, but we're still, it is not legal in our country. But when they legalize it, I think they will give you a job to come and educate our youths on how to.
No problem, I'm willing to
Jah Rasta.
Yeah,
why are you here, Jah Lex?
Well, we're doing an East African tour right now, so we have a few shows moving around the place. So Saturday, the 1st of June, that is tomorrow, will be at Jukwa Lounge, Uru Park. Yeah, it's a free entry, you know, so everybody welcome. Yeah.
Wow. So you'll be going around the country?
Yeah, well, we're doing this show. I think we have another show next weekend. And then I have a few more shows. I'm going to Uganda, and then we plan to come back Kenya, of course.
So you came with your family, your wife?
No, I came, you know, with my team. Yeah, because it's work.
Are you married?
I'm not married yet, no.
I will get a wife from here.
No problem.
We have a lot of pretty women in Kikuyu land.
I realized that.
You realized
Oh,
that?
yeah.
What do you look in a woman, so that I can be very specific when I'm looking? There are so many here, but tell me, what do you look in a woman?
What I look into a woman?
Yes.
Yeah, well, you know, women have to be decent, you know, humble.
Yes.
Yeah.
Humble.
Yeah, humble. Yeah.
You want to tell me, Jah Lex, you don't have a girlfriend?
No, I didn't say that. I say I'm not married.
Do you? Do you have a girlfriend?
Oh, you asked a lot of questions, huh?
You have a girlfriend, but it's okay. If she is not competent, I will replace her with someone else from here.
No problem.
All right. No, that is Jah Lex. That is Jah Lex. You're in the studio right there, that photo.
Yeah. Oh yes, I was in the studio recording in Jamaica, you know.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that's where I do most of the work, you know.
Right.
Recording and promoting, producing, all of that.
What is your mission and vision in the industry?
My mission in the industry? Well, just to bring something positive, you know.
Right.
Yeah, I just want to put my flavor.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you have not taught me to do this. You know, I've been...
Yeah, that's how you do it.
What is this?
This like the, you mean like the Trinity?
The Trinity?
Yeah, when we do that is the Trinity, yeah.
Oh, I want to be a reggae woman now. So I'll be doing this.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Now I'll be sitting like this.
No problem.
Now, what is your last message to our viewers here? They're listening and they love you. They like your music. How can they get you? What is your name in YouTube, in Instagram?
Yeah. Well, you can go on jahlexmusic.com easily and find all the social media, or every social media at King Jah Lex. You know. It's
all right.
KINGJAHLEX.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jah Lex. Tell them
bye.
Mere bye.
Yeah, mere bye.
Netukua nana.
Mituko nana.
Nedrata mutumia. Novice Jah Rasta. Thank you so much. We are really humbled by your presence.
Give thanks.
And for you waking up. May God bless you. May Jah be with you. May Jah prosper you in everything that you do. Jah Rasta Wagwan.
Give thanks.
Give